Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Jordan, aka Zucro, and welcome back to the vlog. Alright, so right now I'm just chilling. I just got outside. It's a nice day out. I'm not gonna cap. It's like 80 degrees, It's a little breezy. I can deal with that. Yeah, so right now I'm just waiting for Jaden. Taking a long time to brush his teeth. I do have some exciting news for y'all, though. Now that I think about it, I forgot what it was. Let me tell y'all, I was sitting there thinking about what it was for a good ass minute. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm coming out with new music soon. So I'm about to release probably 2 songs within the next few months. So just be ready for that. If y'all don't know what my SoundCloud is, I'll put the link in the description below so y'all can go check that out too. And see what you think. Hey, but shout out to P Word real quick on his music. Definitely go check that out. He is really talented, and I'm not gonna lie, he is one person that I know that makes music that inspires me. Like he knows what he's doing. He's learning along the way as well, but he knows what he's doing. He knows more than me, and low key, you can tell that I progress a little bit more every time I release a song. But yeah, definitely go check out his music. And he definitely inspires me to become a better writer, a better lyricist, if you want to say that. Uh, and different things like that. Just a lot in general. Like even with just life. Like he's just a good person to talk to. That's my brother right there. For real, that's my family. Where my other hot at? I'm gonna bring this other bitch out. It looks like a straight bullet. Like no joke. Look at this. I'm just vibing with the weather. I've been debating this in my head. Like, I had a whole conversation with myself in my head right now, playing this whole thing out about if I should tell y'all or not. But I guess I will. I'm in a relationship. I know y'all don't care, probably, type shit. Probably like, oh, cool, you know? Or, I don't know, but, yeah, I'm in a relationship, but y'all won't get to see her till October, and neither will I. I've never met her. It's a long distance relationship, so I've been going on for over 4 months. Low key going on 5 soon. Matter of fact, May 6th. May 6th will be our months. No. December to January. January to February. February to March. March to April. April to May. It'd be 5 months. Okay, yeah. It'd be 5 months. I was right. See, but sometimes I gotta double check my math. You feel me? But, yeah, her name's Jen. It's short for Genevieve. It's a cute name. No cap. Like, that's a really cute name if you think about it. It's unique. Some of y'all probably wonder how we met. It was, I think I got her snap the same day I met her. I met her on an app called Yubo. A bunch of y'all watching this probably know what that is. And y'all probably looking at me like, had he met a girl on Yubo, now he gonna go meet her type shit. Ah ha ha ha. Listen, it's not completely like that, okay? We've been talking since 2019, okay? We've been talking since December 28th, 2019. Alright? That's a long ass time. And we just made it official last year, December 6th. So that's a long, like, bro. And this girl, let me tell you, this girl means everything to me, okay? She means the absolute world to me. And I know some of y'all are thinking, no, again, y'all like, bro, it's been 4 months. I mean, yeah, y'all been talking for like 2 years type shit. But to me, that's a good enough time to get to know someone for real. You know, 2 years. Y'all talking consistently. I'm not gonna lie, we took a break on talking for a while, like couple months maybe. But then we got back on it, and we picked up right where we left off, like nothing ever happened. And then we made it official, like later on down the road. But yeah, I'm gonna go see her in October. Definitely gonna be vlogging with her, so y'all are gonna get to see her. But yeah, so that's basically what's up with me right now. Oh sheesh, look who it is, the one and only P Wood.
What's going on, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Had to clean the hair for a second.
Yes, sir.
We chilling, vibing.
Yes, sir. Vibing out here with the weather. It feel nice, bro.
For sure. Can I drive?
Yeah, whichever one you want to hit, bro.
I knew that.
Yeah, I know you knew. I know you knew. But that one just hits.
Yeah, what you been doing?
Chilling out here. Been talking to the vlog.
Type shit.
Yeah.
My bad, bro. I was just gonna come straight out, but then my mom left me, so I went ahead and just tried to go up and stuff.
Not you sure. What y'all backing into my driveway for? The water bill ain't even due yet. Okay, that's what's up. Drive off. Good.
You showed them.
On me.
Look, you missed a couple spots because I was trying to rush.
If you want to go back and get them couple spots, bro.
Nah, it's good. It's some oil in there, so I just got to spread it around. I'm just making sure my hair don't break off and shit, you know? That's what be happening to people with locks or something. Sometimes when you don't take care of it, like, this will be fine, but then this starts to thin. Like,
Yeah.
the growth, it starts to thin out, it'll just break off.
Damn. It's crazy how different our hair is. That's pretty cool, though.
Nah, that's locks. If you got locks and you weren't taking care of it, they gonna break off too.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Nah, but I'm also just saying in general.
Oh yeah. Like it'll be way harder for your locks to like start.
Nah, yeah.
Unless you just got like the little instant locking tool. Get instant locks.
Is that the wave? No, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna get locks.
At least not now.
Nah.
You don't get up there, Jen gonna be looking at you confused.
Oh gosh, she's gonna be like, what the hell? What did you just do? And I'ma just be like, Jen, I'm a stoner. I had to get the stoner locks now.
You're like, I make reggae music now. She immediately sucks your dick just because you said that.
Oh no.
Okay, let me go ahead and finish editing. I finished cutting everything up, but I still have some clips to add.
Also, go check out P Wood's vlog. I'll put that link in the description as well.
Hell yeah, we lit over here.
Oh god, it should be funny, bro. Like y'all don't know, but y'all will soon. Alright, y'all, well, that's today's video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, remember, like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you later. You want to say anything, Jaden? You want to say anything? Alright.